Welcome, here I've got CAT S61 and I'm gonna show you how to change picture size in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we tap to this button, we get access to advanced camera options. Here at the third position we have the picture size, and when we pick this, we can change it between 16 megapixels, 13 megapixels, 12 megapixels, 8 megapixels and also the square, so you can pick whatever you need here. I want to show you the square because now we get access to the square aspect ratio, so this is how it looks like. Let's tap to the right corner once again, to the picture size, and go back to 16 megapixels, the best possible quality here. And it goes back to the standard view. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.